So Google just destroyed the Apple iPhone 15 with their new teaser for the Pixel 8 launch only. I'm scared. The teaser starts with both iPhone and Pixel engaging in a spooky storytelling late at night. iPhone gets scared not because of not so scary story, but due to the concerns about being forgotten with the upcoming Pixel 8 launch. I'm scared about the future. People are going to be talking about your groundbreaking AI features and your eye-catching design. What if your watch is more innovate as a Pixel reassures iPhone by saying you had a launch event and we are still in a good shape. In response, iPhone is like, but what I received was nothing innovative. All I got was a new action button, dynamic island, and a USB-C port, which is nothing innovative in front of what you are about to get. Just had a launch event and we're still good. Yeah, but I got, a different mute button, a dynamic island, and a new charging port. So no doubt the Pixel 8 Pro is coming in a few days and it is gonna crush the Apple iPhone 15. Astrophotography mode, call assist, 30x zoom. You can do so many things I may never be able to. No, don't say that. It's true, yeah, I know the iPhone 15 Pro Max is amazing, got max out specifications and an amazing camera, but that device is super expensive at $1,199 in the US and 1,60,000 INR in India. That is approx $2,000 and way more expensive in Brazil and some other markets. The small iPhone 15 Pro got no do less change. They start even 5x zoom in that one, and not to mention 15 Plus and regular 15 still run 60Hz low refresh rate, dual cameras and E16 chip, something you all should skip. So yes guys, the best alternative, the Pixel 8 series is coming on 4th October and Google is going all out this time. So we have fresh color finish, rose and porcelain, there's new design, flat front display with no less top side or chin bezel, and the best one is a single small hole punch selfie shooter. So you play games or watch movies, there's only single small hole and not bell-shaped dynamic island. Pixel cameras have always been amazing and no doubt the Pixel 8 Pro with all the Samsung Gen 2 will shoot amazing photos and videos. Then there's super wide A5X zoom periscope camera and a body heat scanner. It is also aiding with software features in camera too, like denoising video, so it's gonna help in windy or noisy surroundings. Say goodbye to the expensive local SIM cards and tedious sign-up process, cause GSM offers fast and convenient internet access in 120 plus countries. See, all you have to do is a few clicks and you are connected to the fast internet without any issue. YesSIM also provides virtual numbers, which is gonna simplify the sign-up process for various apps and services in different countries. So no more language barrier or tedious sign-up process. YesSIM can work on multiple devices in OS. All you have to do is activate the eSIM and it is gonna work effortlessly across all your devices. Here it is gonna make sure you stay connected no matter where travel takes you. This interface and sign-up process for YesSIM app. So we have numbers tab and then there's internet where you can buy plan. There's certification for latest certifications and history, and there's account section where you can find your coins and account details. Suffered in 138 countries. Don't in VPN. No extra fees for roaming. So I sent UA last week, and I must say YesSIM literally transformed our travel experience. I access high-speed internet, sign up for service hassle-free, and enjoy the stress-free trip. Summing up, YesSIM is the ultimate travel companion, making international connectivity a breeze. Enjoy convenience, cost-effectiveness, and simplicity on your journeys with the YesSIM app. So make sure to download this application from the link down in the description of this video and use my promo code to get €2 on your account. Travel smart and simple with the YesSIM. Your European trip is coming soon, and you want to stay connected with your people at home. It's easy. Download the SM Mobile Internet app. News coming in. The Pixel 8 is coming with a 4575 mAh battery. The Pixel 8 Pro gets a 5050 mAh battery, which is massive. The icing on cake is 27 watts of fast charging in the Pixel 8 and 30 watts in the 8 Pro with 23 watts of wireless charging. I'm M2, Tensor G3, and a built-in VPN. Help keep your info secure. Then safety check has your back. So this all done by a far shot and provide best battery life and great performance. Meet Google Pixel Watch 2. Help by Google. Help by Fitbit. While you're out there, there's safety check. You can't tap in when the timer goes off. Your location is shared with emergency contacts. And when a day is done, recharge with spot-on sleep tracking. Speaking of charging, get a full 24 hours of battery life to run your amazing devices coming really soon, and I just cannot wait to try out these devices. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out. Okay.